Today we are heading to my father-in-law water plant, and we know that it's not open, but we're just going to poke around and see what he got going in, check the mangoes and stuff out.
Oh, hingga mango yan pa.
Let's go get mango.
What? Oh shit, ako yung nag-go. You and Joe go back.
Go see what?
If you go, you
They
go
broke in
film
that,
it.
no?
You can go, Babs. I just don't want left the bag here. I want to go ahead.
You fear for snake?
Let's take the aga. Let me see them.
When they come out of work? What way you do it?
No matter. Yep, aki. Hey guys, see, you got some aki tree. Almost starting to burst. Aki. Aki.
Oh, okay.
It's nice when I fry it. When I bust it over. This is how the factory look when it's hustling and bustling. We went here in 2013 with the kids and took them to see where Grandpa stuff was going on. And so we're just walking around and check out everything, you know, looking around, you could see. And I was posing with a bottle of water, and I think that was Josh or someone of the kids, and he was making a juice, Jada juice. So see, that's me walking around posing with a bottle of water. That's Bob's.
No, that must have closed up there. That's a
Still down that way. Bitch, you going down this way?
yeah, that's a thing.
Hi baby, how you doing? How you doing? What's your name, man? Say that? Oh, Taylor. All right. So you enjoying yourself? You enjoying yourself? Okay. All righty. Bye-bye. Hi, Matt.
Hello.
There's some big one there. No, like big one there. There's some big one there. Oh, sucker big there.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good pier though. You know one there? When they're right, they're good yellow inside. Nice one.
They call it butter pear.
Pier, like,
Butter avocado. Otra Santa Elena, right?
this is Cayo.
Okay, Cayo.
Right now, so it's at the market.
Guys, we're at San Ignacio Market in Belize.
The smaller one there.
It's so nicely rubbed up there. Wow.
So far, they want the front, right?
Yeah.
Then it look like then they're right. So they're
good trip. Where they back? Just some more. Okay.
So nicely about area começar para passar.
I know.
Let's come right.
Tamra, what's his store?
Everybody has one big man with a help.
I know.
You know the one we buy yesterday, right?
Never read? Must read. You went over there?
Huh?
We went over there?
No, we will go and separate it and so.
Oh, okay.
So we are going to go back in.
Guys, we are looking for some mangoes. We're looking for number 11 mangoes. But
I'll shrivel up.
no, they shrivel up. Then there's some of them. I'm full.
We don't sit there one.
No, we better. There. Oh, yeah. Ricardo. That thing I look healthy now, sure?
Yeah, papaya.
Yeah, but
You don't find,
be waste
you will
right
find
now.
the Navans. Navans are early. Belize papaya.
I bet 1990 store, nobody did it. No 1990 store, free for us.
Yeah. The vans are LA had Belize papaya. They were really good too.
How much you sell your stuff for? 25. So it's got all the bark and all everything in it, huh? Okay. Oh, okay. Billy Webb bark, Contribo.
But is it like that? You put something, soak it in a liquid and carry. You can't carry like that. Take it there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh,
You have to put in a liquid. Put liquor in there. You put liquor in there and then carry. I mean, carry one like that and then take it there.
Oh. And they tell them they have to got stuff in there?
Yeah. They say if you mean in a liquid form because they don't want something where you think they won't plant.
Oh, I got you.
Yeah, so they take it to complete that, I mean. I'm running.
And mommy.
Touch it, right? Yeah, maybe it looks like.
Yeah.
This and then overripe to the
No.
like that one here, so yeah, so that one here good. See?
So not too bad.
Yeah, one here. This guy, this one across here now, right? Yes, that one here so good enough, but that one here was expired.
No.
One now good.
What are you selling?
50 cents for one.
50 cents for one. What are they doing?
And the leaf one there, how much is the leaf one there?
$5.
$5?
Yeah.
Oh, number 11, huh?
Yeah.
This is Bruce.
Need 3 more, the leaf one just.
Oh, see some more here. Got it?
What is it?
Right.
4.
What you got? Yeah.
Support. Who any support you?
Huh?
Who any support?
I don't know. I ain't got no. Yeah, I don't bring no battery.
You don't put battery on my bag? You never get it?
Never get it. Dummy never get it. What are you looking for? It's like a little strip mall, folks. Woo. Yeah. You guys find who you're looking for?
I don't have it. I know, exactly. I see it to be a box.
We can come out there. How are you guys?
Pretty good.
You just came into Belize?
Saturday. Pretty good.
Alright.
Dad, get us a picture. We're going to that right now.
Okay, is he there? Do you know?
Let me take you guys.
He's normally from this time. Yeah, he's probably there now. It's 2.
It's a Saturday, so I guess folks are out on Saturday, but if you come by here tomorrow, you'll see nobody. Back to my roots. Art from Cashback.
Yeah, I know. You sent me the photos. A big mansion.
See the stingray here? Ralph, you see the stingray?
Here.
See the stingray?
Stingray?
Yeah.
Good.
What a lone wood.
Yeah.
Make sure I have
Shark.
in the right place.
Nice to find the turtle over there.
Huh?
See a turtle
Oh,
over
you
there?
live by the birds? Ah, very cool.
Helicopter.
I meet your son.
The reason I go up for the next few years.
I meet your son, the John.
The John, yes, that's my third eldest. I have 2 kids that were born in the US.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you guys notice I finally got my number 11 manga? Now we're over by Derek family celebrating Janine's birthday. That's Derek's cousin. You could see everything getting ready. We were getting ready to sing happy birthday and all that.
May God bless you always. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you always. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? Happy birthday to you.
After leaving Cayo, went back to Belmopan at the night market, and you could see we're just walking around and check out all the different kind of food. Mostly just food they got out there, so we was checking out the food. They're not so expensive, honestly. It was pretty reasonable enough. And we were just walking and taking up. We even found people selling kombucha out there. The white lady at the selling kombucha. It was all right, but it's not like the one I like. So, but we're still walking and tasting stuff people give us taste and stuff like that. And so, that's what we're doing. Then we're getting to the end, so we're getting ready to go home. And I'll be passing, we'll check out some of the price of the food again, as you can see right there. And you got the food already packed to go. And my wife not going to eat this food. Because everything do her bad.
Well, I'm not going to eat this food because it's late. It's after 8 at night and I don't eat past 5.
Yeah,
but
true.
I don't eat food that's sitting out. No. I've taken too many classes to know what happened to that food when it sits out.
Hey, babe. Hey, babe.
Yeah, barbecue. With either rice and beans or flour tortilla, you get to share.
Oh, we have a rice and beans. Oh, you do the rice and beans. That's where we get it with?
Huh?
We get
You
it.
get it with rice and beans or tortilla.
Oh, okay.
I mean, there. You tip him.
I know.
Okay.
Bye, guys. a good song. That'll be a nice serious.